Good morning, afternoon, or evening. My name is Chris.
My name's Adi.
And my name is Sophia. Welcome to our project and program. Introducing Acrysia, short for Analytics for Climate Resilience, Youth Sustainability, and Impact Awareness. A movement where technology meets awareness, where we utilize our knowledge and understanding to the greatest extent, providing peers and people all around us a platform in which climate change analysis is spread through the power of data. Acrysia aims to create an environment where our audiences are educated upon the impacts of climate change through data analysis. Data is a vital part of our growing community and advancements into technology, being used in several categories. Data enables us to observe accurate readings in real time or in a specific time period. This optimizes the use of technology and developing artificial intelligence systems.
Our site brings together data, graphs, and real-world statistics. People can see the truth of the impact that climate change has brought to our world. Climate change is nothing to be taken lightly, no matter how big or small.
At the top of our website, we've got a navigation bar with key sections. The main page, About Us, where we explain our mission, our 3 stat pages loaded with real climate data, where we make that data visual, and our sources where that data is collected.
With the power of coding, we used a combination of HTML and CSS to create what you see in front of you right now.
In the statistics page, we break down key facts such as the impacts of CO2 and reducing it, mitigating climate change, the correlation between CO2 emissions and global temperature rise, and the correlation between rising temperatures and the frequently flash severity of natural disasters.
Let us take you into the visual world of our 3 stat pages. This is where the numbers really come to life. Using HTML, we transformed complex climate data into clear conclusions. You don't just read the facts, you see them. From year-over-year CO2 levels to the sharp increase in global temperatures, the trends are impossible to ignore.
We also made sure our platform is accessible, whether you're a student, a teacher, or just someone curious about the truth behind climate change. Our website is designed to make information clear and engaging.
Exactly! We believe technology isn't just a tool. It's a voice, and when used right, it can amplify messages that matter. Acrysia isn't just a website. It's a call to action. We aim to help inspire the youth into cultivating their potential and making the world a better place.
This is our main program, using a series of Python coding and Python libraries, as well as coding for other graphs. We managed to prompt the user on what type of climate change data they want for renewable energy, carbon emissions, or natural disasters. For example, let's say they want data on renewable energy. All they have to do is just enter the data and it will open a series of graphs. This graph, for example, shows the percentage of renewable energy usage per nation. As you can see on the bottom, it often includes often the graphs will include our conclusions, while some are just enlarged versions of the graph to make it easier for the user to see and make their own conclusions. Here we can see that this graph highlights the usage of renewable energy through time, with Brazil being the #1 renewable energy user in 1965 with 25%, to today where it's Norway. Here is an enlarged example of the graph. It's the same graph, but it's enlarged so that it's easier for us to visualize it. Now, as you've seen, the code automatically opens our web page, specifically the one on renewable energy. Now, after a certain time, around 25 seconds, but for the sake of this video, but it's around 40 in the actual code. So as you can see, you can interact with the web page, looking at different types of data and further information regarding your selected choice and others. This is our web page, Acrysia, and this is how we managed to portray our data.